Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today is June 4th, 2024, and we are out here with our bees getting ready to do a couple of inspections real quick and to put some supers back on a couple of our hives. This afternoon, whenever I got home from work, I went on ahead and pulled a couple of our supers full of honey. We only did 2 of them today. I wasn't going to have time to get to any more, so I'll get the rest of them later this week. But right here, right beside me, I'll show you guys, I have one of my splits that we did. This was a split that we took off of one of our hives earlier. We also caught a swarm the other day. So we took one of our hives, we split it, we found a queen cell, we put it in here, a couple frames full of brood, cat brood, 2 frames of food, whether it be honey or bee bread, pollen, so on and so forth. We're going to take a look at it. I know the queen cell was ready to emerge. She was starting to chew through whenever I put her in here. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see what it looks like. That's always a good sign when you open up a split and you see a bunch of bees. Let me bring you guys in close. Okay, you guys can see in there we got quite a few bees. It looks pretty good. I don't want to disturb them too much. See if I can't get one of these out of here without making everybody upset. Now I know we've given this queen a couple of weeks. Oh yeah, see that? We've already got cat brood. So I know she got bred. Looks like mostly nectar. Let's see what the other side looks like. Got more cat brood. Okay. I can see a couple of eggs and some fresh larvae in there. So we're going to put these guys back so I can get back to work. Okay, so that split, it looks real good. They've filled out those 5 frames here in the last couple of weeks. We're going to go ahead and get them moved into a box here probably this weekend. But for now, we're going to put a super back on a couple of these beehives. What we did was, like I said, we come out here after work today. We took some supers off full of honey. We got them extracted, and we're going to put them right back on the beehives today. Now this is the beehive we took one of the supers from this afternoon. I like to do my extracting in the early afternoon and put the supers back on in the evening. What this does is it allows the bees to clean up the wet frames without having the chance of a lot of robbing going on. If you try to put these back on early in the morning, the smell of honey is going to drive the bees nuts and you're going to get a lot of robbing. So we're going to go ahead and break this open. Okay, so as you guys can see, they're a little agitated. We've already been in them once today. We're going to put the super back on them real quick. As you guys can see, we've extracted the honey. These are wet supers, wet frames. They're going to clean these up tonight, and tomorrow they're going to start filling them up again. get our lids put back on. Alright guys, we're down here next to our last frame, or our last box. We're going to try to get these on pretty quick. Like I said, we don't want to have these guys any more agitated than when they already are. They're already not too happy with me. A couple hours ago I come and took all their honey, so... Almost immediately they're going to start calming down as soon as we put these wet supers back on. They're going to go right to work getting these cleaned up so they can start filling them up in the morning. That's how we do it. We try to keep things as simple as we can here on the farm. So if you have any questions or comments about putting the wet supers back on your hives or when the best time to do it, I'm not an expert, don't claim to be, don't even play one on TV, guys. This is just how we do it. It's how my mentor does it. He's got 200 hives. So shoot us a line down below or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, please go ahead and hit that button. It really does help us out. Till next time, get out there and check your bees, guys. You'll learn a lot from them.